Right now this works as the indexer that we're gonna push the balls and whatnot. And then when we took some of them off and just had the floor spinning, it actually worked a lot better. Right now we're working on balancing that and then running a bunch more tests.
It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe.
Hey there. I am working on our intake geometry for our robot. So intake geometry really kind of speeds up the process of doing CAD in general. We do all of the kind of paths that the balls or fuel will take during the time that it goes through our robot. So this really helps kind of tie everything together and know where our wheel placement and our roller placement and our backing placement is.
And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm
So this is our current shooter design. It has a hood and it has a backspin roller to try and put less spin on the ball as it's coming out. So this hood is variable with a little Kraken X44 on the back to control that angle at which we're shooting. It's pretty optimized spatially, so it's dense and it doesn't take up a lot of room on the robot. And we have these heavy brass flywheels in the front in order to maintain speed when our robot is spinning the shooter. This is going to be very hard to wire up, so cable management is my #1 concern right now.
In programming this week, it was a lot of programming prototypes for the builders to test. So we did a lot on the shooter. We tested that out in the cafeteria. We're trying to get it around 45 feet, but we're settling around 35 feet right now. But we're also just adding some motors to it, the spin dexter and the feeder, and a little bit more learning on shoot and move.
Recently, we've been working on some senior spotlights and just a few other fun videos, and currently we're working on our impact video. We're collaborating with Outreach to make sure we can get that done. But otherwise, it's been a pretty chill week here for our video.
The Outreach platoon this week was very heavily focused on completing the impact essay as the deadline is looming closer and closer.